Hey guys, James here, Bounty on a Budget. I am going to do an oil change on a 2007 Toyota Camry Hybrid. I'm using these Fastenal bodyguard safety gloves. They're great. They're like latex gloves, and they don't tear. They're good for auto work. And then I bought these little ramps. So I figure I'm going to start doing my own oil changes. Just save me a little bit of money. These are they're 10,000 pounds per pair, Black Widow plastic ramps. So stay tuned. Got them up on the ramps. I am going to put the parking brake on. I'm going to pop the hood. So this is where the engine oil goes in. We're using the 5W20, and this is where the dipstick is. So let's see if we can locate the oil filter. Now, oh, here it is. This is the oil filter. Oh, it looks like it's coming off just with my hand. Now here, this is the oil plug. Now, it's leaking from somewhere. I knew I had a small oil leak. So we're gonna open that cap up, the oil cap. We're gonna take this filter off, and then we're gonna open the drain plug. All right. So like I was saying before, if you do your oil yourself, I think you're going to save. You can use premium oil and a premium filter, and you can save yourself about half the cost of bringing it to the dealership that we bring ours to. You know, some places will have specials, and usually what they want to do is they want to get you in and they want to sell you some service, and that's great. But you know, it also gives you a chance to experience, figure out what, this is what my car looks like, then you'll get some knowledge. So I'm using the Fram ultra synthetic oil filter, and then I have 5 quarts of this Valvoline Advanced 5W20 full synthetic for maximum engine life. All right. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna pop this open. I am gonna grab some socket wrenches. I also might just replace the lug nuts on here tonight too. We'll see. Ugh. Now, let me take a guess. I'm gonna guess that it's a 14 millimeter. Let's see. I think that it is. It's a 14 millimeter. Yep, 14 millimeter. This is the Milwaukee socket set. Ooh, now before I open that, we need a pan to drain the oil into. And luckily I work at an oil refinery, so we have good places. We basically recycle oil here, so one man's waste is another man's treasure. So, now, hopefully it's not on there. Yeah, it's kind of on there a little bit hard, so I'm gonna have to get a little bit of leverage on it, okay? There it is. Nice and easy. I remember the first time I changed my oil, it was in a Saab 900. I was a younger guy and I had my face right next to here, and I got sprayed with oil. There it goes. Now I am gonna take the filter off too, and it's just hand tight, so I'm able to just unscrew it. Now, you know, this car's getting a little older. It smells like gas is getting mixed in there. Yeah, I'm trying to, you know, a lot of times it doesn't take as long as you think it will. And it's not as difficult as you think it is. Sometimes it is as difficult. It's like my next project is going to be adding refrigerant to the AC, because this car doesn't have AC right now. You know, nobody cares about your stuff more than you, so that's why I like to learn how to do everything, and maybe, you know, find problems before they turn into big ones. So, okay, so typically with the oil filter tube, you put a little bit of oil around that gasket on the outside. You can even use some of the older oil. Not gonna hurt anything. Kind of to create a good seal. So what we're gonna do, get a little bit of that. Find out where to screw that oil filter in. Where was it? Around here somewhere. I think it's dang. Did I lose it? Or was it up here? Huh? Alright, we'll figure it out. This is where the oil filter goes. That doesn't have to be crazy tight either. And tight. Put the drain plug back on. .14mm socket. All right, now out of here. Open up my Valvolines full synthetic 5W20. Grab a filter and believe I had a filter. I had one over here. So I'm gonna wipe all the crap out of here. You know, I'm gonna rinse this filter with a little bit of the old oil. And do. Now. So that's it, folks. Stay tuned for more maintenance things you can do yourself that are budget friendly on your vehicle. And like and subscribe. And leave some comments if you have experience on doing auto repairs, things around the home, anything that you like, projects that you can do by yourself that make things easier on the pocketbook, like changing your toilet, stuff like that. You know, there's a lot of things you can do, a lot more than you think. So, all right, later.